Starting a delivery business in Kenya today is one of the smartest ways to build a steady income and create long-term wealth. Across cities like Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Nakuru, and even smaller towns, people are increasingly relying on delivery services to save time and reduce stress. This demand is not slowing down. In fact, it is growing every day as more businesses move online and more customers prefer convenience over movement. Imagine waking up in the morning knowing you already have several delivery orders lined up. You pick up your phone, check your messages, confirm locations, and start your day. By the end of the day, you have made several thousand Kenya shillings. This is the reality for many people already in the delivery business, and you can also build this kind of life if you start correctly. The journey begins with understanding the opportunity. Kenya has seen a rapid rise in online businesses. Many sellers operate on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and simple websites. These sellers do not have their own delivery systems. They depend on reliable riders and drivers to move their goods from point A to point B. That is where you come in. You become the bridge between the seller and the customer. At the beginning, you do not need a lot of money. Many people think you must own a fleet of vehicles to start, but that is not true. You can begin small and grow step by step. If you have access to a motorbike, you are already ahead. If you do not own one, you can lease or partner with someone who has one. Some riders in Kenya start with hired motorbikes and pay a daily or weekly fee, then keep the rest as profit. When starting, it is important to decide what type of delivery business you want to run. You can focus on food delivery, parcel delivery, or a mix of both. Food delivery involves working with restaurants, hotels, and fast food vendors. Parcel delivery involves working with online sellers, offices, and individuals sending packages. Both have strong demand, but parcel delivery tends to offer more consistent work throughout the day. Once you decide your focus, the next step is to plan your costs. Let us look at a simple example. If you are starting with a motorbike, you may need between 80,000 Kenya shillings and 200,000 Kenya shillings to acquire one. If you are leasing, you might pay around 300 to 500 Kenya shillings per day. Fuel could cost around 500 to 1,000 Kenya shillings per day, depending on distance. You also need to consider maintenance, which might average around 5,000 Kenya shillings per month. You also need to register your business. This step builds trust and allows you to work with bigger clients. Registration in Kenya is simple and can be done online. It may cost between 1,000 Kenya shillings and 3,000 Kenya shillings. After that, you will need a county business permit, which can range from 5,000 Kenya shillings to 20,000 Kenya shillings, depending on your location. Now, let us talk about how you will actually make money. Delivery pricing in Kenya depends on distance and urgency. For short distances within town, you might charge between 100 Kenya shillings and 300 Kenya shillings. For longer distances across town, you could charge between 300 Kenya shillings and 800 Kenya shillings. For deliveries between towns, the price can go from 500 Kenya shillings to 2,000 Kenya shillings or more. If you complete 10 deliveries in a day at an average of 300 Kenya shillings per delivery, that is 3,000 Kenya shillings. After subtracting fuel and small expenses, you might remain with around 2,000 Kenya shillings. Over a month, this can grow into a strong income, especially if you increase your number of deliveries. Getting your first customers is often the hardest part, but it is also the most important. Start by reaching out to small businesses around you. Visit shops, boutiques, pharmacies, and electronics stores. Introduce yourself and explain your service. Tell them you are reliable, fast, and affordable. Many will be willing to try you out, especially if you offer a small discount for the first few deliveries. You should also use your phone wisely. WhatsApp is one of the most powerful tools in Kenya. Create a WhatsApp business account. Add a professional profile picture and description. Post your services on your status every day. Share your contacts in groups where business people are active. Over time, people will begin to trust you and send you work. Social media is another powerful tool. Create simple pages on Facebook and Instagram. Post pictures of your deliveries, your bike, and your work process. Show that you are active and reliable. People like to work with someone they can see and trust. Even a few good posts can attract your first customers. As your business grows, you need to think about branding. Branding is what separates you from ordinary riders. Give your business a name. Print simple reflective jackets with your name. Put a sticker on your motorbike. These small things make a big difference. They make you look professional and serious. Customer service is the heart of your business. Always communicate clearly. If you are delayed, inform the customer. If you arrive, confirm delivery. Be polite and respectful. A happy customer will come back and will also refer others to you. Word of mouth is very powerful in Kenya. As you gain more customers, you will reach a point where you cannot handle all deliveries alone. This is a good problem because it means your business is growing. At this stage, you can hire another rider. Start with one person, train them well, teach them how to handle customers, how to communicate, and how to manage time. You can pay your rider a fixed salary or a commission per delivery. For example, you might pay them 100 Kenya shillings per delivery while you keep the rest. This allows you to grow without doing all the work yourself. Over time, you can add more riders and expand your reach. Technology will play a big role in your growth. At the beginning, you can manage everything with your phone, but as you grow, you may need systems to track orders, manage riders, and monitor performance. There are simple tools and apps that can help you organize your business more efficiently. Another important factor is partnerships. You do not have to work alone. Partner with online shops, restaurants, and even offices. Offer them a reliable delivery solution. Some businesses prefer to work with one trusted delivery provider instead of many random riders. If you become that trusted provider, you will have consistent work every day. There will be challenges along the way. Fuel prices may increase. Traffic may delay you. Some customers may cancel orders. Some riders may be unreliable. These challenges are normal. The key is to stay consistent and keep improving your systems. You should also manage your money wisely. Do not spend all your daily income. Set aside money for fuel, maintenance, and savings. Reinvest in your business. Buy better equipment. Add more bikes. Improve your branding. This is how you grow from a small hustle into a big business. Over time, you can expand beyond motorbikes. You can add small vans for larger deliveries. You can handle bulk goods. You can serve corporate clients. This is how small delivery businesses turn into full logistics companies. The future of delivery in Kenya is very bright. More people are shopping online. More businesses are going digital. More customers want convenience. This means more demand for delivery services. If you position yourself well today, you can benefit from this growth for many years. Think about where you want to be in the next 5 years. You could still be doing small jobs, or you could be managing a team of riders, handling hundreds of deliveries, and earning a strong monthly income. The choice depends on the action you take today. Starting may feel difficult at first, but it becomes easier as you move forward. The most important step is to begin. Do not wait for perfect conditions. Use what you have. Start where you are. Improve as you go. Every successful delivery business you see today started small. Someone decided to take a step to try to learn and to grow. You can do the same. With focus, discipline, and consistency, you can build a delivery business that supports your life and creates opportunities for others. In the end, this business is not just about moving goods. It is about solving problems. It is about helping people save time. It is about connecting businesses to customers. When you understand this, you will see that you are not just a rider or a driver. You are an important part of a growing economy. Take that first step today. Plan, prepare, and begin. Your journey in the delivery business can start now, and with time, it can grow into something bigger than you imagined.